If you want to move data from the USB flash drive or to the USB flash drive on OPPO Find X9, then once you connect the flash drives to your phone, we can go to the My Files app, which is a file manager made by OPPO. You should be able to have it on your phone. Now over here, if you want to transfer something from the flash drive, then you can go to your flash drive storage. In my case, it is over here, the OTG. And then in here, we can, let's say, go through these files. I'm not sure if I actually have something. There we go. Here I have actually something. So if I have some files that I want to transfer, I can just select them. I can press and hold my finger on these files, on the first file that I want to transfer. Of course, we can select multiple files. Then we can choose Move at the bottom. Over here, of course, we need to go to All Files since I want to transfer from the flash drive to the phone. So we can go to All Files, choose where we want to save these files. So let's say I'm going to choose Documents, and then we can tap on Move here. Now, if you want to transfer something from the internal storage of the phone to the flash drive, then of course we can do this the other way around. We can go to All Files over here. This is the internal storage, or you can use these categories that we have over here. So let's say I'm going to go to Photos, open this one. I'm gonna select a couple of photos that I want to transfer and do the same thing. Just choose Move. This time, of course, we want to transfer from the internal storage to the USB flash drive. So I'm gonna choose the flash drive as the target, and then we can choose where it should be transferred. We can tap Move here, and there we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.